Kilo 0, Papa Kilo Oscar, QSL.
Kilo 10, Papa Kilo Oscar. You're down in the gravy right now.
Hey everybody, Tim here, amateur radio call sign, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. The other day I got to meet up with my friend Steve, aka T.O. as most of you know him. T.O. is now transitioned to being a full-time RVer and is taking the opportunity to travel around the country. As T.O. travels around the country, he is wanting to do POTA activations with members of the Toads Radio Club in what I'm now calling the KT0ADS Roadshow. You can follow along with T.O.'s adventures on the Toads Discord and in the channel POTA with 2. I will put links to both the Toads Discord and the channel in the description below so you can follow along with T.O.'s adventures and coordinate with him on local POTA activations. So sit back and enjoy the shenanigans of our POTA adventure at Shade State Park here in Indiana.
We're live on the scene from Shade State Park in Indiana. Correspondent Tim has nothing to say. Thank you, Tim. This is fantastic. Let's try that again. I'm here live on the scene at Shade State Park in Indiana with Tim. Tim, how are you? Nothing from Tim. We're still not getting it. Third time's the charm. 3 strikes and you're out, Tim. Tim, what's your name?
Fred.
Fred.
Foxtrot Romeo Delta Steve.
CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ POTA, Kilo Tango 0 Alpha Delta Sierra calling CQ Parks on the Air from K2267 Shades State Park in Indiana. QRZ. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ POTA, Kilo Tango 0 Alpha Delta Sierra KT0ADS K-Toads from K2267 Shades State Park in Indiana. QRZ. November Echo 7 Delta X-Ray. November Echo 7 Delta X-Ray 59 Indiana.
57 Arizona.
Copy the 57 Arizona. Thanks for the contact. 73.
73.
Kilo Tango 0 Alpha Delta Sierra QRZ.
Texas and Tennessee. Texas and Tennessee, north, New York, New Jersey, are where I get
This is November 5 Victor Alpha.
November 5 Victor Alpha. I'm on frequency calling CQ for Parks on the Air. I'm happy to take your call. You're 5-9 in Indiana.
What was the call again?
CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, Kilo Tango 0 Alpha Delta Sierra calling CQ Parks on the Air from K2267 Shades State Park in Indiana. QRZ. Thought I heard Park to Park, but not enough to make it out. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ POTA from Kilo Tango 0 Alpha Delta Sierra K2267 Shades State Park in Indiana. QRZ. Kilo India 5 Uniform Radio X-Ray QSL. QSL, Kilo India 5 Uniform Radio X-Ray 59 Indiana. I got Kilo 0642 in Mississippi, 0642 MS. QSL? Good luck on your activation. 73 to you as well, my friend. This is Kilo Tango 0 Alpha Delta Sierra, QRZ. One more, we're done. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air, Kilo Tango 0 Alpha Delta Sierra from Shade State Park in Indiana, K2267 QRZ.
Kilo 0 Lima Alpha Foxtrot.
Kilo 0 Lima Alpha Foxtrot, you're 5-9 Indiana.
Okay, thanks for the 5-9 from Indiana. Thanks for the park. You're about a 5-3 right now here in Missouri. Have a great activation, 7-3.
Thank you for the contact. I got the 5-3 in Missouri, 73, my friend.
No.
Had to be a nice whole number.
I get it. My wife is the same way. Nothing can be odd. She'll always go up. She won't go back. It
Right.
can't be odd.
We're live on the scene from Shade State Park in Indiana. Correspondent Tim has nothing to say. Thank you, Tim. This is fantastic. Let's try that again. I'm here live on the scene at Shade State Park in Indiana with Tim. Tim, how are you? Nothing from Tim. We're still not getting it. Third time's the charm. 3 strikes and you're out, Tim. Tim, what's your name?
Fred.
Fred.
Foxtrot Romeo Delta Steve. This
Yes.
is going to be an outtake.
And this is an extra class operator. What's your call sign, Tim?
November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. NW9F.
NW9F. He actually knows his call sign. That is accurate. I am Steve, KM9G, and this is Parks on the Air. This is what we do, folks.
So if you like this content, make sure you hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, share this content with your friends, and hopefully one day we'll catch you on the air.